IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati has accused CEO Ezra Chiloba of lying to the court that the decision to suspend him was made without quorum as required by law. Here's Sam Ogina with more.
In a replying affidavit filed in the Labour Relations Court, Chebukati holds the meeting that sealed Chiloba's fate was properly constituted with a quorum of 5 commissioners present. Chebukati accusing Chiloba of lying to the court that the decision against him was undertaken with only 3 commissioners, 2 commissioners short of the required threshold. The embattled IEBC chairman further stating that all the 5 commissioners present at the plenary meeting that sent Chiloba on compulsory leave agreed that the scope of the internal audit needed to be expanded. But majority of the commissioners voted to send Chiloba packing for 3 months. Chebukati claims 3 out of the 5 commissioners voted to suspend the CEO, debunking claims of quorum hitch during that particular meeting. The IEBC chairman says suspended CEO Ezra Chiloba cannot sue the commission while still in office and without his approval. This even as the commission in its replying affidavit says that Chiloba's suspension was done in good faith, adding that the case filed against the commission should be struck out on grounds that Chiloba has failed to establish a case. Further, Chebukati also accuses Chiloba of using confidential information through his position as CEO to institute the petition, which according to the court papers is in violation of his contractual obligations. Chebukati also argues that any party aggrieved by the IEBC decision ought to sue the commission itself and not individual commissioners. The IEBC chairman claims that Chiloba failed to satisfactorily answer to audit queries raised by the commission through an internal audit, the queries touching on procurement, and that his suspension was to allow internal auditors carry out a probe on procurement of election materials without Chiloba's hindrance since he is the commission's chief administrative officer. Sam Ogina for The Big Question.